actually.
The traditional King's Palace, it's a British. The meaning is that the Belgians they came here in Rwanda and they tried to move. So, but when we were under German, they tried to have to choose one place. So on the circle is here, we are the church now. So in 1935, the church came out. In 1931, but in 1935, they destroyed his. It's a sacred tree in Rwanda. Oh. It's not yet. I didn't know everybody to look at it. That's not to look at it. That's fortunately, in Rwanda, it is also known as it is popular for the name of Ep3. As a tree, or even the economic tree. So the reason I call it economic tree, so their entrance always is here on the left side, and their exit is there on the right side. So you have to cross it like this one. Normal walking. That when you reach here, you have to come back. That's for ordinary people. Just for ordinary people, not for the kings. No. Ordinary people, chiefs, then for the king, kneel down for the king, and even clap 3 times. They don't kneel down, it's a respect. And the clapping 3 times. If you had some confidential information, they let you go in. But if you need like a piece of land, something like this, just you provide information here, and go away. Something up, turn again. Go straight, backward, up to
While you're still backward.
So highness, yes, clapping and praise. So we have seen that here outside is where things to judge the people. So if you commit wrong in a society, immediate forgiveness.
Let me ask, just start to proceed.
Yes.
So you come, you enter kinyumenyume. You clap.
The guy here. Only one man who did this.
I can imagine.
Kanagas. And he found a very tricky. He jumped the Bantu fence. We call it Bantu fence. Right down here, because just to fight with they have everything, and even here there is, but they have enough space to run away and find a new trick, and he's the one who touched this call.
But not like when you came and touched and he had that previously. You didn't go back to the society to still repeat the same thing?
Maybe go back to repeat the same thing, but he was forgiven.
I hope you don't do it again.
It's a decoration only. But it shows the white color. It shows the entrance and exit of a king. Always king is the entrance and exit, and this is the side for the queen.
Okay.
But for ordinary people, those people had confidential information. The chiefs is something. Their entrance is here. Their exit is here. But it is not the correct kind of sitting room in the King's Palace. You have to wait here, and then the corner it is a waiting room for the women in the King's Palace. And we do have another part, something like panels of Imigongo. Imigongo is a specific art of Rwanda. There is a strong kingdom called Igisaka. Igisaka is a kingdom which was also divided into 3 parts. There is Igisaka Chimigongo. You understand Imigongo and Imigongo, something sound like. So it's where they found these panels of Ngongo, and it is here to hide the king's bed. And this one, it is also making Rwanda. She is the one who gets. Night time they use the fireplace, but here at daytime they use this one. These are panels of diamonds. All of confidentiality. Because there is a gas. There is gas, coal, and then there's another sitting room for them. Normally, here, normally this is fireplace. They make fire here instead for lighting the house, for warming the house, and even the smoke stays out flies, mosquitoes, even termites, because this is the wooden one to protect the fire something. Okay. There is mat here. And this is that's in the King's Palace. The men sit on the floor. None allowed to sit on chair.
That's a curtain.
So sorry for the privacy of a king's bed. Size bed.
It's only the bed that is there.
How many wives do you have?
Yeah, baskets, big one.
The bedroom. This is the female side now.
Yeah,
Is this the women?
The women.
The queen
sit here
on the floor.
on the floor.
Where?
It is a decorated place, and here it is a sitting place of young girls under 18, virgin girls.
Only.
Only virgin girls.
How did they know they were virgin?
Work, forgot the bed, music.
Oh, they just seen over here. And the queen is also here.
By more than 16 small houses. Small village, and it's a duplicate house.
House of milk. The house of milk. Hello from the King's Palace. This is currently the King's Palace. This is the main house. Then this other one is the annex where they have the milk annex and the beer one, which we'll be going to see. There's so a lot to learn. Apparently, there were several kings, but now this one is just a makeshift of the original King's Palace, and where now currently the last two kings are buried. Yeah, so let's see what is inside. This is where they used to do the milk, and they shake the gourd for the butter and the milk, then separate it. So this is the beer annex.
But remember that
Sacrifice.
in the King's Palace they had only milk. The rest thing is a gift from the community. Even the beer. So he tastes all the beer.
Oh, to ensure.
He is always drunk.
I head out to the kettle side. The kettle side. Oh, over here.
This is the cows.
Oh, the Ankole cows. Oh, these are the cows. Apparently the ones from the King's Palace are very sacred. They are not to be eaten. Even once they die, they are to be buried. That's how sacred they are. I think these are the small horned ones. And the other cows are here, the bigger ones. The big horned Ankole cows. Big horned. Haziwezi kutugonga. Haziwezi kutugonga. A song for the cows. So they sing a song for the cows. second hotel. It's called Mater Boni. This is how it looks like. 2 beds. And then it has an AC, the TV, the bathroom. They have slippers. And then, yeah, basically that's it for this room.